Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about describe function in PySpark. The describe function in PySpark provides a summary statistics for numerical columns. Now it returns count, mean, standard deviation, min and max values for each of the numerical value column. So here is our sample data, and you can see that we have ID here, then we have name here, then we have salary, and then we have age. And here we are creating our data frame. So df is the name of our data frame we have given, and equal to spark.create data frame. So it's going to create a data frame. We have to provide the data, so that's what the data it is going to use. And here is a list of the column or column header we have provided. Now once we will say df.show is going to show us all the records from the data frame that is just created here. Let's select this code and execute this selected code. Once we run this, it's going to show us the records present in the data frame. Now we can see that we have ID, name, salary, and age. Let's take a look on this piece of code where we are using the describe. So we are saying df dataframe.describe function, and then we are showing the output. Now we are going to go ahead and also we can use by the column. Here we did not use any column, so it's going to guess for all the column, and those are numerical columns. Is going to give us the mean, median, standard deviation, and all those values. And if you are specific, like hey, you only want to for salary and age, you can say df.describe and then provide the list of the column, or maybe single column, and then use the dot show to show the result set output. Now we execute this entire cell, and then I'm going to show you the results here. So you already have seen that's our data frame. We see the data frame, and inside the data frame, and the second part is this is the describe everything in that data frame. So we are going to take a look what it has done. So ID is a numerical column, and it is shown those values for us, and then salary, and then we have age. Now see right there, we have a count is telling us the number of total records, so it is 10, and same goes for name, and the same for salary and everything. So because there are total 10 records. Now mean, so for the ID, mean is 5.5, so that's the mean it has calculated. For salary 9,500 is the mean, and for age 47.7. Now you have standard deviation values here, and then you have min value, and that's 1 ID because ID start from 1, and max is 10 for ID. Same for salary, 5,000 is a minimum value, and 14,000 is the max, and then for age 25 and 70. So you see that it shows us all those statistics for numerical columns when we use the describe function. Now in the next output, we are only looking for the salary and age, so it is showing us that table with all the information. Same information what we have seen in this one, but just for two columns, salary and age. So this is very helpful if you want to analyze your data, and describe can be very helpful for you to analyze your numerical data. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.